Ever wondered if humans are the only intelligent beings on this planet? It's a question that's likely crossed your mind as you've watched your pet dog fetch a ball or a squirrel swiftly navigate through the trees. Often we humans have a tendency to believe we're the sole proprietors of intelligence, the only creatures capable of complex thought and problem solving. But what if we told you that this belief is just a drop in the ocean of understanding that we have about the animal kingdom? Today, we're going to challenge that perception. We're going to take you on a journey that explores the surprising and often overlooked intelligence found in our earthly cohabitants. From the deep-sea octopus to the high-flying crow, this journey will reveal the remarkable cognitive skills these creatures possess. Prepare to be amazed as we delve into the fascinating world of animal intelligence. Meet the octopus, an invertebrate with a brain that's nothing short of extraordinary. A creature of the deep, the octopus is a master of not only survival but also intelligence. This 8-armed wonder has been known to demonstrate abilities that can leave even the most seasoned marine biologists in awe. So let's dive into the fascinating world of octopus intelligence. One of the most surprising abilities of octopuses is their use of tools. That's right, tools. In the vastness of the ocean, these creatures have been observed using coconut shells as mobile homes, providing them with protection from predators. They can pick up a shell, nestle inside, and scuttle along the ocean floor, propelling themselves with their siphon. It's like their personal armored vehicle, and it's a perfect example of their problem-solving abilities. But their intelligence doesn't stop there. Octopuses are also remarkable escape artists. They can squeeze their entire bodies through tiny gaps no larger than their beak, the only hard part of their body. This skill comes in handy when they're fleeing predators or trying to escape from enclosures set by curious humans. Some octopuses have even been known to escape from their tanks in aquariums, navigate across the room, and slide into another tank full of tasty shellfish. And let's not forget about their incredible camouflage abilities. Octopuses can change not only the color but also the texture of their skin to blend seamlessly with their surroundings in a matter of seconds. This quick-change artistry is controlled by their brains and is used to evade predators and ambush prey. So what can we learn from the octopus? These creatures are far more than just tentacles and ink. They're intelligent, adaptable, and resourceful. They navigate their world with a level of sophistication that continues to surprise and fascinate scientists. Clearly, the octopus is a testament to the fact that you don't need a backbone to be brainy. Next, let's soar into the world of birds with the clever crow. Crows, my friends, are not just your typical backyard bird. They are a shining example of avian intelligence, equipped with remarkable cognitive abilities that rival those of many mammals. These black-feathered creatures have an uncanny knack for recognizing faces. That's right. If you've ever been dive-bombed by a crow, there's a good chance it remembered you and your supposed transgression, but that's not all. Crows are also known for their impressive tool-using skills. They can shape twigs, wires, and other pieces of debris into hooks to extract food from hard-to-reach places. And it's not just about using what's available. They can plan, adapt, and even create new tools on the fly. It's a level of innovation and flexibility that we often associate with human intelligence. And if that doesn't impress you, how about their ability to solve complex puzzles? In a series of experiments, scientists have found that crows can solve problems involving up to 8 different steps. That includes understanding cause and effect, planning ahead, and even learning from their mistakes. It's a display of reasoning and problem-solving skills that is truly mind-boggling. But why are crows so intelligent? Some scientists believe it's due to their social nature and the complex societies they live in. Just like humans, crows have to navigate a world filled with cooperation and competition, friends and foes. And to do that, they need a sharp mind. So the next time you see a crow, don't just dismiss it as another bird. Remember, this is a creature that can recognize your face, use tools like a pro, and solve puzzles that would leave some humans scratching their heads. The crow's problem-solving skills could certainly give some humans a run for their money. Dive with us into the deep blue sea as we explore the intelligence of dolphins. Now, when we think of intelligent animals, dolphins are often one of the first that spring to mind. And for a good reason. These marine mammals possess an impressive array of cognitive abilities that rival, and in some cases even surpass those of humans. Their communication skills are particularly noteworthy. Dolphins use a combination of clicks, whistles, and body movements to communicate with each other. They have distinctive signature whistles that function much like our names. Dolphins can produce and understand up to 1,000 different signals, making their language one of the most complex in the animal kingdom. But that's not all. Dolphins also exhibit self-awareness, a trait that is rare among animals. They can recognize themselves in a mirror, indicating a level of self-consciousness. This self-recognition is a sign of abstract thinking, a cognitive ability previously thought to be unique to humans and a few primate species. Beyond this, dolphins have intricate social structures. They form close-knit groups called pods where they cooperate in hunting, defend each other from predators, and even have social hierarchies. Some dolphins form alliances with other pods for mutual benefits, a behavior reminiscent of human societies. This level of social sophistication is a testament to their cognitive prowess. Dolphins' intelligence extends to their problem-solving skills too. They have been observed using tools like sponges to protect their noses while foraging on the ocean floor. This innovative behavior is a clear sign of their ability to think and act strategically. In essence, dolphins' advanced cognitive abilities, their self-awareness, and their complex social structures all point to a level of intelligence that demands our respect and admiration. Their ability to communicate, solve problems, and maintain complex social structures, all while navigating the vast ocean, is truly remarkable. With their advanced communication skills, dolphins remind us that language is not just a human trait. Dolphins, with their fascinating intelligence and communicative skills, serve as a reminder of the diverse forms intelligence can take in the animal kingdom. Closer to home, the chimpanzee showcases intelligence that's strikingly similar to ours. This statement might seem a bit bold at first, but when we delve into the fascinating world of these primates, it's clear to see why. Firstly, let's explore their incredible ability to use tools. Unlike most animals, chimpanzees don't just rely on their natural physical attributes to interact with their environment. They also make and use tools. Whether it's using a stick to fish for termites or a stone to crack open nuts, chimpanzees demonstrate a level of inventiveness and practicality that's quite remarkable. Such behavior requires an understanding of cause and effect, an ability to plan ahead, and a degree of manual dexterity. Beyond their tool use, chimpanzees also exhibit complex social dynamics. Living in communities of up to 100 individuals, they form intricate social hierarchies, alliances, and even experience political intrigue. They engage in cooperative hunting, share food, groom each other, and even show empathy towards those who are hurt or distressed. This level of social interaction requires a sophisticated understanding of relationships and individual roles within the group. Finally, chimpanzees display an astonishing capacity for strategic thinking. They can plan for future events, coordinate group activities, and even execute deceptive maneuvers. For example, a chimpanzee might pretend to show interest in one direction to throw off a rival, only to quickly grab a piece of fruit from the opposite direction when the rival's attention is diverted. This ability to strategize, to think ahead, and consider the reactions of others is a hallmark of high cognitive abilities. In essence, the world of the chimpanzee is a world of strategy, tools, and complex social dynamics, a world that mirrors our own in many ways. The chimpanzee's intellectual prowess forces us to question just how unique human intelligence really is. Rats may not be everyone's favorite animal, but their intelligence is undeniable. These small creatures are often associated with filth and disease, but there's more to them than meets the eye. They're incredibly smart, resourceful, and they excel in problem solving. Did you know that rats have an excellent memory? Yes, you heard it right. They can remember a route or a task once they've learned it. This is why you'll often find them navigating complex mazes with surprising ease. But that's not all. They are also quick learners. Rats can learn to press a lever to get food, for instance, and they'll remember this association for a long time. They can even learn to respond to certain sounds or signals, demonstrating a level of understanding that's quite impressive for such small creatures. Now let's talk about their problem-solving skills. Picture this. You're a rat, and you come across a large gap that you need to cross. What do? Well, rats in this scenario have been observed using nearby objects, such as sticks or ropes, to create makeshift bridges. They can assess the situation, understand the problem, and find a solution, all in a matter of minutes. In fact, rats are so intelligent that they've been used in various scientific studies to understand more about learning and memory. They can perform complex tasks that require planning, decision-making, and even cooperation with other rats. Yes, they are social creatures too, and they can work together to achieve a common goal. Rats are often underestimated, but their intelligence is extraordinary. They've adapted to live in some of the harshest conditions on Earth, from bustling cities to quiet countryside. They can survive, thrive, and outwit their enemies, all thanks to their sharp minds and quick thinking. So the next time you see a rat, remember, it's not just a pest, it's a small creature with a big brain, full of determination, resourcefulness, and intelligence. As we explore the animal kingdom and the remarkable intelligence it holds, let's not forget the humble rat. Rats are proof that size does not determine intelligence. Finally, let's talk about the elephant in the room, literally. The elephant's intelligence is as grand as its size. When we consider the remarkable ways in which they display their intellect, we are drawn to their emotional intelligence. Elephants, you see, are incredibly emotionally aware creatures. They demonstrate empathy, compassion, and even altruism, often going out of their way to assist other members of their herd in times of need. Their emotional intelligence is not limited to their own species either. There are countless stories of elephants showing empathy towards other animals and even humans. They form strong emotional bonds with their companions, which is a testament to their profound capacity for love and friendship. But there's more. Elephants also have an exceptional memory. An old saying goes, "An elephant never forgets." And it seems to be true. They can remember routes to watering holes over vast distances and even after many years. This is vital for their survival in the wild, where resources can often be scarce and far apart. Their memory also plays a role in their social structure. Elephants remember friends and foes alike, and they'll react accordingly when they encounter them again, even if it's years later. Perhaps one of the most poignant displays of elephant intelligence is their ability to mourn their dead. Elephants will often linger around the bodies of their deceased, touching the bones gently with their trunks, seemingly in a state of grief. They've been known to cover the bodies with leaves and grass, an act that bears an uncanny resemblance to human burial rituals. This deep sense of mourning, this understanding of death, it's something that we as humans can relate to. It's a powerful reminder that we're not alone in our capacity to feel and to grieve. It's a testament to the emotional depth and complexity of these magnificent creatures. Elephants remind us that intelligence is not just about problem solving, but also about emotional understanding. Having explored the intelligence of these remarkable animals, it's time to revisit our assumptions. We've journeyed through the underwater world of the clever octopus, soared with the problem-solving crow, swam with the communicative dolphin, strategized with the chimpanzee, persevered with the persistent rats, and empathized with the emotional elephant. Each of these creatures, in their own unique way, has demonstrated a level of intelligence that goes beyond our traditional definitions. In the past, we've been guilty of viewing animals through a human-centric lens, often underestimating their cognitive abilities and emotional capacities. However, these animals we've discussed, and countless others, challenge that perspective. They show us that intelligence in the animal kingdom is not only widespread but also diverse, manifesting in ways we might not expect or readily recognize. Recognizing and respecting animal intelligence is not just about acknowledging these remarkable abilities. It's also about understanding the implications for how we treat animals. If we know that animals can think, solve problems, communicate, strategize, and even feel emotions, shouldn't our actions reflect this knowledge? Shouldn't we strive for a world where animals are treated with the respect and consideration their intelligence warrants? This understanding of animal intelligence also has broader implications. It challenges us to redefine intelligence itself. If an octopus can solve a puzzle, a crow can use tools, or a dolphin can communicate complex ideas, what does that say about the nature of intelligence? Perhaps it's not a linear scale with humans at the top, but a vast spectrum encompassing a multitude of cognitive abilities and emotional experiences. So, as we revisit our assumptions, let's not just marvel at the intelligence of these remarkable animals, let's also question our own perspectives and consider how our understanding of animal intelligence can shape our actions, our treatment of animals, and our definition of intelligence itself. Animal intelligence is a testament to the incredible diversity and complexity of life on our planet. As we conclude this exploration of animal intelligence, let's remember the key points we've discussed. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of animals, uncovering the remarkable intelligence that these creatures possess, often in ways that we, as humans, fail to appreciate or even comprehend. We began our journey with the clever octopus, a creature known for its impressive problem-solving skills and adaptability. Their ability to manipulate their environment, whether opening jars to reach food or camouflaging themselves from predators, is a testament to their cognitive prowess. Next, we soared with the problem-solving crow, a bird that has been observed using tools and even traffic to crack open nuts. These feathered friends demonstrate a level of ingenuity that is truly astounding, rivaling even the most complex human inventions. We then dove into the world of the communicative dolphin, a species that not only has its own language but also demonstrates empathy and altruism, traits we often consider uniquely human. Their complex social structures and communication methods remind us that intelligence comes in many forms. On the land, we encountered the strategic chimpanzee, our closest animal relatives, whose tool usage and social dynamics offer a fascinating parallel to our own societies. Their ability to plan ahead and strategize is a stunning example of animal intelligence. We also explored the world of the persistent rats, creatures whose problem-solving skills and adaptability have allowed them to thrive in almost any environment on Earth. Their resilience and resourcefulness are truly remarkable. We also paid homage to the emotional elephant, a creature known for its deep familial bonds, long memory, and ability to mourn its dead. These gentle giants remind us that intelligence is not just about problem-solving, but also about emotional depth and complexity. Next time you encounter an animal, whether it's a pet, a wild creature, or even an insect, remember, you're interacting with a being that has its own kind of intelligence, its own experiences, and its own way of understanding the world.